a rectangle, just a rectangle. I didn't expect it to be the hardest thing to sketch, but this wasn't just any rectangle. It was this little house on Winger Road, the house where summers meant gardening with Grandma, and Grandpa turned every summer day into a reason for ice cream sundaes. This house, where Thanksgiving meant squeezing 20 people into a tiny kitchen to watch old home movies, where the kids' table was tucked into the connected garage, aka spare room, amongst the tools, spring garage sale boxes, and the ever-reliable spare fridge. It's no longer standing, but it lives on. In my grandfather's home movies, and thousands of photographs, and now through my paintbrush. This passion for sketching architectural buildings and homes has turned into something I'm excited to share. I am now offering sketches and renderings as commissions. Please find me on Etsy and let's connect, wander, and create.